Retail stores have been using window graphics for decades, whether it's to announce special deals or even just to post store hours. General Formulations has a solution perfect for any retailer, whether for small signs or full window wraps. Before I tell you more about it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you get alerts whenever we drop a new LexJet Reviews video. GF270 WindowMark Perforated Window Film 7030 is a 6mm flexible film that has a white print face and black adhesive side to create the one-way see-through functionality on glass. It has a clear, removable acrylic pressure-sensitive adhesive on a unique dual-layer lay-flat liner that is compatible with latex, solvent, and even UV ink systems. This product is designed for production of see-through graphics for windows. This is where the 7030 name comes from. The material is 70% solid and 30% open, making WindowMark ideal for applications like retail graphics or window displays. General Formulations also offers their WindowMark in 50/50, 60/40, and 80/20 perf patterns, and even has a clear 60/40 option for inside-mounted graphics. We should mention that GF270 WindowMark perforated window film has removability for up to a year, and the film has an outdoor durability of 2 years. You can extend the life and simplify the removal process by adding GF242 optically clear cast laminate. If you have questions, give us a call at 1-800-4LexJet, and make sure to check out our other videos featuring General Formulations solutions.